design standpoint, Essential's PH1 is a bold first move. It offers a stock Android experience and looks like no other device out there, but so far, the company has come up short on its promises. It's a confident melding of glass and ceramic that seems rather basic in what it's trying to attempt, but it's hiding a few tricks up its sleeve. For those with small hands, the amount of screen that Essential has packed into the compact package is astounding. Things like waterproofing, expandable storage, wireless charging and a 3.5mm headphone jack are essential to many, but nowhere to be found here. Oh, and its modular accessories? You'll just have to trust that the company is committed to bringing more down the line, as a StayView 360-degree camera accessory took longer than expected to release. For all that the Essential phone is right, it's rather short on reasons to back up its high $699 price tag, no UK price confirmed at this time, compared to the seriously intimidating competition it put itself up against, the iPhone 8, Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and Google Pixel 2, just to name a few. However, thanks to its brilliant, timeless design, plenty of power, and the promise of modular accessories, the Essential phone is an Android phone that will only get better with time. That is, if you're patient enough to watch it grow. Essential opted for a titanium frame, which it claims offers much higher durability and heft, compared to the oft-used aluminum we see in many smartphones. This means, theoretically, it shouldn't break or bend under circumstances wherein most phones do. On the phone's outside, Essential covered it all up in ultra-glossy ceramic, which looks fantastic and feels cool to the touch, but is also inviting to your fingerprints.